Hello everyone, today in this video I want to show you my blueberry seedlings. I planted them almost 3 months ago and they have to grow, but so slowly, and I lost few of them. As you can see, I put them in this container because in this weather we have low humidity and so hot summer. When I put them outside from the container, they got dry. And another thing about this seed I want to tell you, some say if you put them in a fridge or you plant them at the winter time, they will grow faster or better. But I do it that, and I had other seed and I put them in a fridge for 2 months and plant them 3 weeks ago in these cups, but none of them sprout out yet. When I plant these seeds, they start to growing after a week. After a week I had 4 plants, but for these seed I put them in a fridge for 2 months, nothing yet. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe the channel. Happy gardening.